Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from Todoist. Todoist is a popular task management tool that helps you organize tasks, projects and daily goals in one place, and it is widely used by students, professionals and anyone who wants to stay productive. If you're using Todoist on a laptop and want to stay logged out of account with a privacy switching account or just signing out, this guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, you need to open any web browser on your laptop like Chrome, Edge or Safari, and after that in the top there's the search bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it, and make sure you're already logged in your account. And once you get on this Todoist dashboard, look at the top left corner over here. You'll see your profile picture or initials. You can click onto that profile icon to open to that account menu, and after clicking on the profile icon, a drop down menu will appear on the bottom that says logout, and Todoist will immediately sign you out of your account. After logging out, you'll be redirected to the Todoist login or homepage screen. This confirms that your account has been successfully logged out, and that is how you can easily log out of Todoist on a laptop in just a few clicks. If you're using a shared or public computer, logging out helps keep your task and personal data secure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to log out from Todoist. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.